Kia Corporation has unveiled the all-new PV5 at the 2025 Kia EV Day, marking the first production model under its innovative platform beyond vehicle (PBV) strategy.
This versatile mid-sized car-derived van, CDV, comes in 3 variants: passenger, cargo, and chassis cab.
Built on Kia's advanced eGMP-S electric skateboard platform, the PV5 offers flexible body configurations tailored to different needs. The passenger version features a 3-row seating layout, ideal for ride-hailing, luggage transport, or camping setups. The cargo model provides up to 5.1 cubic meters of space, with multiple size options and an adaptable L-track mounting system. Meanwhile, the chassis cab variant allows for a range of custom conversions, from drop-side to freezer box applications. Powering the PV5 is a choice of 51.5 or 71.2 kWh NCM batteries, with an additional 43.3 kWh LFP battery option for the cargo model. A 120 kW front motor delivers 250 Nm of torque, while the 71.2 kWh battery enables a range of up to 400 km. Fast charging from 10% to 80% takes just 30 minutes.